Good morning, students. Welcome to class in Elysium. What is Elysium? Omitting on or marked sounds for a word or phrase. Easier to pronounce. Use casual informal speech, sound smaller, more natural. Elysium C and Ed D. Formal speech. The handsome movie star acts in a film about friendship between a father and son. Casual speech. The handsome movie star acts in a film about friendship between father and son. Example: scripts, friendship, dialects, handsome, attempts, activity evaluation. Read the following sentence and use T and D Elysium. Okay, I started a friendship with an handsome artist. Okay? He paints landscapes. Okay, thank you. My name is Yurley Yesenia Cruz Villamizar, student, Corporation University of Caribbean, Phonics of English. Bye bye.